Running ads on Facebook and Instagram is more of an analytical job than a creative one. And to make it even more complicated, Meta gives you over hundreds of metrics to track. That's like trying to juggle multiple reports all day long. Pretty overwhelming, right? But here's the thing. Most of those metrics don't even matter. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through Meta ad metrics to track and how to use them to get the best results for your ads. Hi there! Today, we are discussing Meta ad metrics. Let's start with something a lot of people run: lead generation ads. Imagine you're running these ads to get signups for your newsletter or demos. You check your ads manager, and you see a bunch of numbers, but nothing's really clicking. So which metrics should you focus on here? Cost per lead. This is your baseline. How much are you paying for each lead? If CPL is high, it's time to check your targeting or offer. Leads. The number of people who actually fill out your form. Make sure they're the right leads, not just anyone clicking for the sake of it. Conversion rate. Out of the people who click on your ad, how many complete the form? Low conversion? If so, your form's too long or unclear. Form completion rate. If you're using instant forms, track how many people start the form but don't finish. That's a red flag. Now, website traffic ads. The goal here is simple. Get people to your website. But here's the problem. You're getting clicks, but are they really the right people? And more importantly, are they sticking around? These metrics will tell you. CPC. CPC is cost per click and tells how much are you paying for each click. A high CPC means you're burning cash for traffic that isn't converting. Landing page views. Clicking is one thing, but did the landing page actually load for them? This is a solid indicator of the quality of your traffic. Bounce rate. If people are bouncing within a few seconds, your ad's promise and landing page proposition aren't aligned. Make sure both have the same intent and message. Now, let's talk about sales ads. Here are the metrics you should be tracking to ensure the sales are actually happening. With a good ROI, ROAS or return on ad spend. It's simple. How much revenue are you getting for every dollar you spend? Anything under 1 means you're losing money. Conversion rate. How well is your ad turning traffic into customers? A low conversion rate means there's friction somewhere in the process. Purchase value. How much are people spending on average? Higher value purchases are a sign that your ad is bringing in high-intent buyers. Cost per acquisition. How much are you paying per acquisition? Make sure this aligns with the value you're getting from each sale. Lastly, let's jump to the core of the campaign. Your ad creative. You could have the perfect target audience, but if your creative isn't grabbing attention, it's all for nothing. Here's how you know your creative is performing. Thumb stop ratio. This measures if people stop scrolling when they see your video. If you're not getting people to stop, your hook needs work. Engagement rate. Shares, likes, and comments are indicators that your content is resonating with people. Watch time. How long are people staying with your video? Early drop-offs tell you that your intro isn't holding attention. Hook retention. If people drop off in the first 3 seconds, you've lost them. Make sure that first few seconds grab attention. That was all about top Meta ad metrics you should be tracking to get a complete overview of ad performance. Here's a quick recap so you don't miss out anything. I'd advise you to pause and take a screenshot. Now, here's the surprise resource to make your task of tracking metrics much easier. Vaizle's smart AI chatbot connects to your ad account and pulls key insights automatically. That means you can track key insights without checking Ads Manager or reports. You can literally ask it questions like, which campaign had the best ROAS last month? Or, why did my cost per lead increase? And it just answers, with actual data and trends. To give Vaizle AI a go, don't miss the link in the description.